Out of the all different ways to make money online, this might be the easiest and best method for beginners to start with. It doesn't require building a website, working as freelancer, or even spending a single money. It takes less than 10 minutes to set up this new method that allows you to earn up to $150 per day using affiliate marketing. The method is 100% free, and you can start doing it today by following the steps I will share with you today in this video. Now we are going to Canva. It was a graphic design platform with millions of pre-made templates, images, fonts, and design tools to create professional-looking designs for social media presentations, posters, and much more. So first step number 1, you have to open free account on Canva. You can sign up from Facebook, Google, and many things. When you log into Canva, you can see you can able to find all different templates to use in Canva. Second websites we need is ClickBank. If you doesn't know about ClickBank, it was the biggest affiliate marketplaces online with thousands of affiliate offers in different products we can promote. And create a free account and log into the ClickBank. You can see here there are different types of product category you can promote and earn commissions. But if ClickBank is not available in your country, you can use an alternative website like Digistore24. This is the another website you can use. It was same like the ClickBank. Now next step is pick the product to start promoting. For example, I am gonna choose this one, the smoothie diet. Now click on the promote and create your affiliate link to promote this product. Now, this is your affiliate page. If people click your link, they will come here in this page, and every time someone buys the product using your link, you'll get a commission. Now we need to create our promotion image using Canva. All you need to search here templates by typing keywords related to the product you're promoting. In my case, the smoothie diet. Here, as you can see, you get tons of templates that you can use. Just choose your favorite one to start editing. You can now edit the image as you like. You can change color and add new text about your product. Once you're done, save the image to move on next step of the process. After choosing the offer you want to promote and creating the promotion image, it's now time to drive traffic so you can start earning money. Since this is a free method, we won't use any paid ads to start. Instead, I will show you the best ways to get free traffic fast. For that, we are going to Pinterest.com. Now, if you don't know, Pinterest is so powerful in terms of organic traffic, and in my opinion, based on personal experience, is the best way to start. It was very simple. Go to the Pinterest and create a free account. When you log in, you come here in this page and click the create pin. Upload a photo here which was created by Canva. Write the product name and title. Now write the description. If you don't know what to write, copy the description from ClickBank. And most important thing is add your affiliate link here. Now if someone sees your image and clicks on the link, they will be redirected to the product page. And if they buy your product, you will get the commission. I suggest you post at least 10 to 20 times daily to get quick results. Now we are going to another website, which Imgur. This is a platform that's visited by millions of people every single month. In fact, over 100 million people use Imgur every single month. So come here and create a free account. Now click on new post here. Upload the image here which you created by Canva. Now write a title here. You can also add tag related to the topics. In description box you can write my personal recommendation and paste your affiliate link here. When you finish all things, click on post. Again, I suggest you post at least 10 to 20 times daily to get quick results. Remember that making money online requires time, effort, and dedication to see results. That's it for today's video. Let me know in comment box if you have any questions. And also please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel as this motivates me to produce more videos. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.